Hi guys, so this is a quick update video for all the CA final students who are writing their exam in the May 25 and onwards attempt and willing to subscribe for our CA final regular class or CA final fast track classes which are there. ये वीडियो कॉमन रहने वाला है हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. दो स्टूडेंट्स हु आर राइटिंग हु वांट आवर क्लासेस इन इंग्लिश और दो स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट आवर क्लासेस इन हिंदी, दोनों के लिए ये वीडियो कॉमन रहने वाला है. ठीक है सर. So this is just an update video. Now, sir, I am writing my exam in the May 25 attempt and I want to go for your regular class or I want to go for your fast track class. But when I see your website, it says the classes were applicable for November 24 and May 25 attempt. So, sir, it means those classes are applicable for November 24 and May 25 के लिए we need to study the amendment separately. Yes. So this is the first option which is there. If a student is writing an exam in the May 25 attempt or onwards attempt and want to go for a regular or fast track class, what you can do is you can go to our website or the mobile app and subscribe for the classes which we had gone ahead and released for the November 24 as well as May 25 attempt. Now, for the November 24 attempt, those classes are completely amended and updated. But for the May 25, you will be requiring the amendments. Now, sir, when will you provide the amendments? We are waiting for the ICI. Once the ICI comes up with the statutory update or the basically amended material applicable for the May 25 attempt, which I am expecting approximately by December first week or second week, it should be available. So once ICI goes ahead and releases it, I will go ahead and provide the amendments which are applicable for the May 25 attempt. Don't worry about it. In the simplest language, we'll go ahead and release the amendment material as well as we'll go ahead and provide the amendment video which is there. Okay? So this is the first option for all the students who are writing their exam in May 25 attempt. You can go for the classes which are already available on our website. Along with that, the amendments to be covered separately. Okay, sir, when will you provide the amendments? Approximately by December end, you can expect it. Okay, sir. Now, sir, new classes. What about the new classes? See, these new classes which is there, I'll go ahead and talk to you guys about it. The new classes we were supposed to release on 22nd of October. We are supposed to start the classes. Okay? But unfortunately, at the last moment, I went ahead and cancelled the class. I've never cancelled classes this way, that at the last moment I've gone ahead and cancelled classes. But this was one attempt where I had to go ahead and cancel the classes, and I told the student that the new classes I will not be going ahead and taking as of now in the month of October. Sir, why? Now I'll show you. When we go to the CBIC ka website, if this is the CBIC ka website, if you see over here, first of all, for your exam which is in May 25, we go ahead and cover the amendments. Amendments are basically the notifications which are there. Notifications are not many. Sir, amendments from which time to which time are applicable? If you see, amendments from 30th April to 31st of October are applicable to you guys. Okay? Means all the circulars and notifications are applicable. Okay? If I go ahead and show you over here, so jo notifications are there, these notifications, if you see, are not many. Means if you see October mein some notifications are there, August mein some notifications, and if you see might be some 10-15 notifications, so small notification. If you see central tax ka notification rate related, that also are not many, means hardly some 8-9 of them. But if you see circulars over here, this time what has happened is CBIC has gone ahead and released approximately, if I tell you, here there are some 10 circulars which are there. Okay? All these circulars. Then again if you see, again some 10 circulars. Again if we see, again some 10 circulars. And each circular, if you go ahead and see, for an example, if I show you this circular, every circular is approximately 5 pages, 4 pages, 7 pages, like that. Now what happens if I go ahead and teach you this circular? Means approximately 30, 35, 40 circulars are there. If I am not wrong, 33. To be very precise, 33 circulars are there. Now out of these 33 circulars of 5 pages each, if I go ahead and talk about 30 into 5, approximately 100-150 pages. If I would have taken the new classes which was supposed to happen on 22nd of October, I would have taught you all these circulars. What would have happened, sir, if you would have taught us all the circular? I would have taught you 150 pages. Sir, what will happen if you teach us? If I would have taught you those 150 pages, we would have gone ahead and approximately spent 50 hours extra. But out of these circulars which are there, we are waiting for the ICI to go ahead and provide. See, as of now, it is 30th October tak ka amendments. So till 30th October have just got over now. We are on 5th of November. So ICI also has to take time, see which are the circulars which are there, which are relating to which are to be taught to the student, which students should study at CA final level. So they will first go ahead and figure out which are the circulars which are to be studied by the students. After they have gone ahead and decided whether this circular should be studied by the student, this circular should not be studied by the student, they will go ahead and release their new material, or they will go ahead and provide the amendment material. Once they go ahead and provide their amendment material, we will come to know, okay, the ICI wants their students, means ICI wants its students to go ahead and study this amendment, these circulars, these notifications, which are notifications, generally all of them are required to be studied. Circulars, out of these 33 circular, they will tell you that these are the circulars to be studied. So what we are really waiting for is once the ICI goes ahead and provides the new material, or they go ahead and provide the amendment material, which I am expecting December 1st week or December 2nd week, it should be available. After that, whatever amendments are there, I'll go ahead and release it separately. And that is why I have not gone ahead and released any new classes this time. Earlier, almost for every attempt, I was going ahead and releasing the new classes, regular class, fast track class, etc. But this time, unfortunately, I had to go ahead and cancel the class. The reason being, so many circulars are being released, and all these circulars, which are the ones which are applicable to you, which are the ones which are not applicable to you, I'm really not sure about it. And hence, once the ICI goes ahead and provides the amendment material, we will go ahead, and we have to wait for some time. Definitely, we'll have to see, we'll have to give some time for the ICI also, because they also have to figure out, discuss, and then find out which are the circulars to be studied by the student. So it is going to really take little time. So December 1st week or 2nd week, I'm expecting. Once it comes, the amendments I will go ahead and provide separately. Now, so sir, what are the options we are left with? One option is you can go with the previous videos, previously recorded classes which were applicable for November 24 or May 25. Along with that, the amendments by December end, I'll go ahead and provide. You can go ahead and along with the classes, you can study the amendments and you will be done. Okay. Secondly, sir, I want to go for new classes. See, new classes, regular class, though we have gone ahead and cancelled, which was supposed to happen in October. But in January, I'm planning for a fast track class. So January, approximately, once the result comes around the first week, means in December mid, I'll go ahead and announce the classes. So January 1st week, approximately January 1st week or 2nd week, we will go ahead and have the CA final IDT fast track class, 80 hours to 90 hours ka fast track class, which I'll go ahead and announce. So if you want, then no sir, I want the amended class only, then the fast track class, see, one option is previous classes along with amendment. Trust me, you will have absolutely no problem. All the amendments in your Q&A material, all the amendments in your chart book, I'll go ahead and provide it separately with amendment video. Don't worry about it. Secondly, what you can also go ahead and do is you can wait for the January classes which are going to happen. January 80 to 90 hours approximately I'll plan, and I'll go ahead and release a fast track class. So that fast track class, you can go ahead and opt for the fast track class, and that will be completely amended and updated class which will happen in the month of January. January, we can't do the regular class for May 25 because it will be very late. So January, we'll have the fast track class. So you can go for that class also. Sir, what about the books which are there? The books version 11 will continue for your May 25 attempt also. All the amendments along with the question answer may whatever amendment or changes should be done, that I'll provide it separately. Along with that, whatever chart book may changes has to be done, that also I'll go ahead and provide. Don't worry about it. Okay, sir. So, sir, can you quickly summarize what is to be done? First of all, if you want the classes, you can go for the current classes. Along with that, amendment to be provided in the month of December. Secondly, if you want new classes only, fresh classes, January, I'll go ahead and December mid, I'll announce the classes. So January we'll have the fast track. That fast track class, you can go for it. Sir, what about the books? The books which are available currently, the version 11 books. The same books will be continued for the May 25 attempt. Along with that, I'll release a separate amendment booklet that along with the version 11 books will be applicable for your May 25 attempt. ठीक है sir, done. Sir, I am a student writing my exam in after May 25, that is November 25 and onwards. Baba, for November, in the month of April, we'll have the new classes. You can go for those classes also in the month of April. Done, sir. I hope I was able to clarify all the thoughts, all the queries which students were having. Love you all. Don't worry about it. Whatever decision you make, I'm always there with you. Whether you go for the current classes or you go for the fast track classes, which are going to happen in January, don't worry about it. We are going to rock the exam in the May 25 attempt. Let's just wait for some time. Once the ICAI comes up with the amendments, I will go ahead and release the amendment video as soon as possible. Love you all. All the best. Take care, everyone. Bye, guys.